Welcome to Safe Water International Ministries CPU instructional video. Before we begin, make sure your kit has two 5-ounce plastic bottles, one dropper bottle, a 1 tablespoon measuring cup, one CPU, and one chlorine test kit with the dropper. You will also need a 12-volt power source. This can be a 12-volt battery, a 12-volt power supply, or even a car battery. Finally, you will need to have salt. Begin by measuring 1 tablespoon of salt in the measuring cup. It is very important to have the right amount of salt with the right amount of water to get the correct concentration of chlorine. Add the salt to the 5-ounce bottle, then fill the bottle with water. Screw the cap on tightly and shake vigorously so that all the salt is dissolved in the water. Once the salt water is ready, connect the CPU to a 12-volt power source. Start by connecting the negative or black power cord to the negative electrode on the battery. Then connect the positive or red cord to the positive electrode on the battery. Once the unit is connected to a power source, place an empty 5-ounce bottle underneath the unit and pour the salt water into the top all at once. Notice how the solution bubbles. This lets you know that the unit is working properly. But be careful not to breathe the fumes that come from the top of the unit while it is working. Once all the solution has drained out of the bottom, put the empty bottle underneath and repeat this process 4 times to ensure that the proper amount of chlorine is pulled from the salt. And now the chlorine is ready to purify water. This one 5-ounce bottle is enough to purify approximately 250 gallons of water. To purify the water, add 10 drops of chlorine for each gallon of water. After the water has been dosed with the chlorine, wait for 1 hour before drinking. This ensures that the chlorine has time to kill the bacteria in the water. This also allows time for the chlorine taste to dissipate from the water. For more information on the CPU or about SWIM, please visit us on the web at www.swimforhim.info.